Now students, there are some amazing facts about the birds here. Let us see what they are. The owl can turn its head around 3/4 of a circle. See, we are able to just turn our head in the form of left to right, right to left, in the form of a semicircle. You can only turn your head only half a circle in the form of a semicircle, but the owl can be able to turn its head almost 3/4 in a circle. See, it's so amazing, isn't it? Then hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. This is also strange. See, the birds, these are hummingbirds, will be able to be in the sky for a longer time, and these are the smallest birds. They are able to fly backwards also. Anyhow, they'll be flying forward, but they fly backwards also. See, the picture of owl is shown here. It is turning the head here. It is shown, the picture shows that the owl is turning its head here. Now, let us study about feathers. This is the second part of the lesson, that is feathers. We are going to study about the types of feathers the birds that have. Feathers help a bird to fly. Can you imagine? Feathers help the bird to fly. They also keep the body warm, like how you wear the sweater and keep your body warm, no? So birds have the feathers, and it helps its body to be kept warm. The surface of the feather is oily. See, the surface of the feathers is oily. They do not oil the feathers, so that body of the bird does not get wet in the when it is raining, or when it is somewhat moist weather and all. The bird's feather does not get wet. Even if it gets wet in the rain and all, it does not get wet, because its feather is having the oily surface. It is like wearing a raincoat, as if we wear the raincoat during the rainy season. The feathers of the birds are designed so that the water will be just sliding away, and it does not get wet. In some birds, the feathers are brightly colored. Can you name some birds which are brightly colored? Yes, peacock, right? Parrot, and many more. Birds have three kinds of feathers. So, among the feathers also, there are three types over here. The first one is flight feathers. Flight means flying. The feathers which are helping the bird to fly are called flight feathers. These are long feathers found in wings. They are found in the wings and tails of the birds. They are used for flying. Can you see the picture over here? These are the flight feathers which are long in shape. And nextly, second part of the feathers are called down feathers. They are soft and fluffy. They are found next to the skin, and they keep the birds warm. These are found all around the body of the bird, which are fluffy, and they are found near to the skin, and these down feathers helps the bird to keep them warm. They are like a sweater to the body of the birds. Thirdly, body feathers are there. These body feathers, see the picture, you can see the picture here. These are down feathers which remain close to the skin of the bird, and this is the body feather. These feathers also cover the body and give birds their shape. These feathers give the shape to the body of the birds. Now students, can you tell me, answer the following questions now. Why can humans not fly? Can you tell the answer? Humans have bones, but they do not have wings. That is one thing. Humans' bones are solid and heavy as a result, and they have the arms, and as they don't have the feathers on the body, and even they don't have the wings. Therefore, the human beings cannot fly in the sky. Can you name three kinds of feathers found on birds? Yes, they are flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers.